Hey guys, it's Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today with a quick tutorial. So what I'm going to be showing you today is how to put together a duvet comforter or quilt. I don't know which one you really say, if it's a comforter or a quilt. So anyway, it's a duvet. And I really just recently learned how to do this myself. So I've never really owned a duvet. As many of you know, I am doing my travel nursing journey, and in my corporate apartment that I have, in my corporate housing, they had duvets. In my house, I have comforters. So there is no putting together. It's all one piece. Wash it, put it in the cleaners or whatever, go live your best life. But anyway, my children were all just here, and so I took all the bedding off the beds, and I just wanted to wash everything, and I noticed that this was a duvet. So I thought, oh crap, okay, how do you put this thing together quickly? Well, girl, I went on YouTube University, and shout out to you, Rachel Ray. I learned, you guys, how to quickly put together a duvet comforter. So you're going to see me put it together, not in this room, but actually in my bedroom. I've already filmed it, but there were a couple of things that I wanted to tell you. Plus this, I needed to do an intro for the video. And so here I am. But what I did want to tell you is when you see me do it on my bed, you have to take, so you know the duvet comes in two pieces. You get this is the cover that goes around, hang on, the little comforter or quilt, okay? So I just quickly want to tell you guys, you have to take the cover, and you know, it has an opening in it. Let me find the opening here. Okay, so it has a huge opening that generally I think people like try to stuff their comforter part in, and then it takes you forever. I knew that was going to be a struggle, and I wasn't about that life. So that's why I went on YouTube to try to find a quick way to do this. But anyway, you're going to take your covering, the outside portion, and you're going to flip it inside out. And I just wanted to show you guys that. But if you notice, like, this is the correct side that you're going to see after everything's done. But you actually got to flip it inside out when you're laying it flat on the bed. So I definitely just wanted to show you that. And I also just wanted you to see that there were two different parts, which if you have a duvet, of course you already know that. But there's that. All right, sis, let's get on with the tutorial because I'm wasting a bunch of time, and I'm going to show you how to do this quickly. You ready? Let go. Okay, you guys, so this is the part where I was telling you, you have to flip that top cover inside out. So I flipped it inside out, and what I'm doing now is you have to lay it flat on your bed. Now that opening that I showed you all earlier, that opening is up at the top of the bed. So after you lay everything out flat, then you're going to take the comforter portion, lay it on top of the over cover. Like I'm doing here, I'm just spreading it out and laying everything nice and flat. So you put the over cover on first, and remember it is inside out. And then you put the comforter part on top of the over cover. And the opening for the over cover is at the head of the bed. Don't forget that part. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking the bottom here. You can't quite see it yet, but you will in just a second. And I'm rolling it up like a log with both pieces together. So the top cover and the comforter are both together, and I'm rolling them all the way up to the top of the bed like a log. Now you want to make sure that when you're rolling this up, see what I'm doing there? I went all the way to the very, very top and rolled it over. And when you do that, you're going to see the opening here. You want to open it up, and you want to flip it back let's see, I don't want to say inside out, but for lack of a better word, inside right. So now all I'm doing is flipping that top cover over the top. I'm using the opening and I'm flipping it over the top of the comforter. Lord have mercy, I hope I'm making sense, you guys. And when you do that, all you got to do now is roll it back down like a log. So I'm straightening up the comforter portion a little bit at the top where the opening is, and then I'm just simply unrolling everything like a log. And voila, your comforter is now inside of your top sheet. It is so easy, you all. Okay, so I hope this made total sense. So now what I'm doing is I'm just sticking my hand in where the corners are, and I'm just making sure that that comforter is lying flat near the corners. Now you're gonna have some, extra, let's see, what do I wanna say? Some extra sheet kind of on the ends, and that's so that you can tuck everything under your mattress for when you make your bed. So, did that make sense? You guys, let me know in the comments if this made sense or if we need to do this again. It is so easy. I hope you guys picked this up from the first time because it is literally like done. Ta-da! So I took the sides, I tucked it in under the mattress there, as you can see, and everything was just that simple. Like literally rolled everything up like a log, flipped it back inside right, and then unrolled it, and that's it. I'm done. It looks so nice. Now I did want to show you, this is what the guest bedroom looks like when I'm done. Yay! So easy, you guys, just easy peasy. So let me know in the comments if you do yours this way or did this help out. Love you guys. Be blessed. And remember, sis, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. Bye, guys.